I've got the perfect smoked salmon recipe for you that's buttery and flavor packed, and it's easy. Let me show you how I did it. I've got 2 center cut salmon fillets. I'm just gonna top them with salt for now, and we're going to get them on the smoker at 225 degrees for 1 hour. In the meantime, we're gonna mix up our butter sauce, a couple tablespoons of melted butter, minced garlic, Aleppo pepper, dill, lemon zest, lemon juice, give that a good stir, and then we're gonna add some mayo to it for creaminess. You wanna get a good thick consistency. After an hour, pull those salmon fillets off and crank the heat up to about 425. Let the salmon fillets cool for just a few minutes and top them with lots of the butter sauce. I never said this recipe was healthy. Once that smoker's up to temp, add the salmon fillets back on with your veggies. Cook until 135 degrees internal temperature. And there you have it. Super easy, it's juicy, it's flaky, it's delicious. And I hope you guys enjoy.